Hello everyone, welcome to Eatsowhat. Today we'll be making potato nuggets. To start with, take 2 boiled potatoes in a bowl and start mashing them using a hand masher. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese, followed by 2 green chilies finely chopped, a teaspoon of black pepper powder for the spiciness, half teaspoon of salt. Not much salt is required here as cheese already contains some amount of salt, 1 small capsicum finely chopped, half a cup of steamed sweet corn, then comes some finely chopped coriander. Coriander brings a good taste to the recipe. Adding half a teaspoon of corn flour powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour which is Maida, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs make the nuggets crispier, so it is essential to add it. Now let's mix the ingredients well using hands. Combine well and form a hard dough out of it. Our dough is ready. Keep it aside for now. Let's move on to make a slurry paste now, which will be used to coat our nuggets before it is deep fried. Add 2 tablespoons of Maida, 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then add some water to it. Wow! Heavenly, mouth-watering, tempting and whatnot. There is a popular quote saying, a recipe has no soul. You, as the cook, must bring soul to the recipe. And yes, let's go for the plating. Dropping a little tomato ketchup. Now spread using the back of your spoon to form a beautiful texture like so. Similarly, adding a spoon of mint paste and following the same technique. Now, let's place the nuggets to the center of the plate. Some sliced cucumber to give a fresh look to a dish. Let me break a piece of nugget and show you how it looks from the inside. Yummy! I can't wait to try it. Quickly, let me take a bite. So good. The cheese, corn and capsicum are going very well together. Thanks for watching Eatsowhat. If you like this wonderful recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Eatsowhat for more such yummy recipes. Thank you.